Welcome back to Afternoon Express, and yes, we are in Women's Month, so we decided to bring in the heavy guns in the culinary industry, Chef Zanele. Now, Chef Zanele, we're celebrating the flavors of women. Are you ready?
Yep, every woman has flavor.
We want to find out what is yours. Now, there's a famous Afrikaans poem called Sporen, where the poet DJ Opperman talks about how there's a woman in every flavor. It is so true. Just the thought of your mom and your grandmom's cooking, it just warms your heart. So today we're celebrating women and the wonderful flavors they embody with a flavorful recipe that will warm your heart this winter. Dumi, I already feel that warmth.
I know, right, Palesa? And we're using warm flavors, Vele, as it is, because it is that time of the year. So what's better than a citrusy, rosemary type, flavor? So that's what we're doing today. And we're making a beautiful pork loin that we're going to be flavoring beautifully with some orange juice. I've got some ginger. We've got some thyme as well. We've also got a bit of brown sugar. These are some beautiful flavors that go very well with pork, Palesa.
Brilliant. And Chef Zanele, on your station, what will you be doing?
I'm only peeling the apples.
Okay.
Clean work.
So wait, apples, but we're making a pork fillet. I've never tried that. And I know apples and pork could be best friends.
Yep, it's a flavor. Remember, the apple is a little bit of sweet and sour. So it balances out the flavor, right, Dumi?
Yes, definitely, Palesa. I think one thing people don't get, and I've said this and I was judged the last time, there's certain things that have a sweetness to it. And pork is one of the sort of sweeter types of meat, we'd like to call it. So it goes perfectly with apple and, those
orange
kind of...
juice.
Yes, very correct.
Yes.
Well, since we are celebrating flavors, today we're highlighting the flavors in this beautiful McCain potato product. Today, we're going to be using the sweet potato in the flavor, since we are speaking about flavors, of rosemary and garlic. But these McCain sweet potatoes are frozen at their freshest. They're harvested at their peak and then flash frozen, locking in all those nutrients. They're made using only the best quality locally grown sweet potatoes. And Dumi, I think it's perfectly seasoned, as we've been saying.
Definitely, Palesa. And I don't know, Chef Zanele, do you guys also call sweet potato upatata?
Upatata. I love it. I love patata. I can eat it every day.
Today we are using the rosemary and garlic flavor, but when it comes to sweet potato, what other flavors accompany quite well with?
Cinnamon, garlic, salt and pepper, of course. What else, Dumi?
Yeah, you're on track there. And I love the fact that this time, Palesa, we're choosing the rosemary flavor, the rosemary and garlic, because even though we're not putting rosemary in our actual pork, but because it's warm flavors and it's a warmer herb, it works perfectly because we've added some thyme into our pork marinade, which is what I'm making right now. So into this liquid here, I've got some orange juice, some thyme, I've got that cornstarch. So the reason we've added cornstarch is once we've cooked our pork in our air fryer, we're going to reduce the juice itself and make a beautiful sauce that we're going to glaze our pork with. So those flavors of the thyme, the orange, the rosemary and garlic from our sweet potato fries, Palesa, just a beautiful pairing.
Sounds very nice.
It does sound delicious. And Chef Zanele, I'm so glad that you did say a tangy and sweet flavor goes perfectly with the pork, because we're also packing it and pairing it with sweet potato fries. Now, these are just a healthier alternative to potato fries. They're an amazing source of fiber. They're gluten-free, trans-fat-free, and also they're just low in cholesterol. But my favorite, I think, point when it comes to these McCain potato chips is that they're just convenient. The fries can easily be prepared in the oven or in an air fryer in 15 minutes. And you can cook them straight from frozen. Dumi, that's all the difference.
That's all the difference, Palesa, because if you're also watching your weight, the air fryer is the perfect route to take, Palesa, because you can make sure that you get all the flavors of what you want, but without those additional calories that come with the extra oil, which is perfect, because I'm also going to pop our pork loin into the air fryer as well, Palesa, and then top it off with our apples that we're going to do in there. So I'm just set it at 100.
How many apples?
Those 2 apples should be perfect.
Okay, perfect. Let me start
Awesome stuff.
You know, when it comes to the no preservatives that are also within these McCain potato fries, I think that as we're always talking about just deliciousness in the kitchen, nutrition is as important. It's so key, Chef Zanele. But we are using here our beautiful Philips air fryer. Now, if you don't know, now you know. Philips is the world's leading low-fat fryer brand, and our team of experts have been perfecting this air fryer technology for over 10 years. So it's something that that you can trust, and it's something that will have your food coming out perfect every time. Because at the end of the day, this Philips Rapid Air Fryer technology, with its unique starfish design, it just swirls that hot air to create delicious foods that are crispy on the outside and that tenderness on the inside with little to no added fat and oil. So, Dumi, is that kind of the consistency that we're looking for even within the pork?
Yes, Palisa. So in essence, what's going to happen is you mentioned that circulation of the air inside the air fryer. It's going to be nice and cooked on the outside. And it's going to give us that beautiful pinkness that we want with this kind of meat. You want it to be cooked, but you still want it to maintain, like pork is very similar to chicken, where you still want to cook it through, but you do want to maintain a bit of juiciness in there, which is what's going to be perfect with our air fryer. Halfway through, I'm going to take the apples in, put them onto our pork loin, and let those cook down as well and release their juices into our pork.
Okay, Chef Zanele's strategy when it comes to chopping apples.
Listen, you got me here. So you said how many do you need? 2?
Oh, that's perfect. Actually, you can pass those over to me. So long.
Chef Zanele, when it comes to a dish like this, we're making a pork fillet with delicious rosemary and garlic. She's busy eating. Rosemary and garlic sweet potato fries.
Tasting.
What is some of the key tips and tricks to remember when preparing a dish like this? Especially like someone like me, I'm not familiar with cooking pork. So what's key to remember?
Just like she said, that pork is like chicken, so you always want to lock all the juices inside and make it crispy outside. So you always, even if you're using something else, just make sure that I'm not going to mention today, but just make sure that your chicken or your pork is just brown outside and so locks all the juices inside.
On the inside. And also to say that it's difficult. I don't know. I don't trust myself to be able to do that. And that's why I've got my trusty air fryer on deck, because this also will cook your food 1.5 times faster than in the oven. Best of all, you don't need to preheat your air fryer, because I'm forgetful. I always forget to preheat. All you have to do is you just turn it on and you start cooking. It's the healthiest way to cook, and it cooks and rather fries your food up to 90% less fat, or using 90% less fat. So we're good to go. Dumi, you've got that done? Dusted? Is that the final product?
So this is how our pork's going to come out looking, Palisa, and those juices from the apple reduced, beautiful, and that's basically it, Palisa.
To get your hands on this delicious recipe, visit afternoonexpress.co.za. To help you create delicious winter warmers of your own, we're giving away a Philips Essential XL connected air fryer and baking master kits with a year's worth of McCain potato products to the value of 6,898 Rand. To stand a chance to win, simply reply to the competition post on the Afternoon Express Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram page and tell us which of your favorite McCain potato products you'll be making in your Philips air fryer. Remember to include the hashtag Made with McCain and the hashtag Philips air fryer. The competition closes at noon on the 16th of August. Enter now. T's and C's can be found on afternoonexpress.co.za. Always a crowd pleaser. Treat your family to McCain skin-on crispy oven chips or rosemary and garlic sweet potato fries. Both nutritious and convenient.